afternoon. Welcome to the DDN User Group. We have a lot of really exciting content for you today from our partners, from our customers, as well as from our DDN engineering and development team in terms of new technologies that we're bringing to market, which we believe to be very enabling for HPC and AI. What an amazing time to be in HPC and AI. I mean, isn't it incredible? The rate of advance and the acceleration of what's going on in innovation, in enablement across just a multiplicity of fields is staggering. And all of this is enabled by infrastructures which operate at very large scale and very efficiently. Without that, it's simply not possible. And accelerated computing, which I think is a theme which is very relevant for us here at supercomputing, as well as the industries and market segments that we're in. Accelerated computing is really reshaping everything for us. I mean, this is just unbelievable. You look at what is going on every day, every week, there is something new happening, which is pushing forward the rate at which technology is enhancing things and enabling things. And it doesn't matter whether it's chatbots and personal assistants, whether it's personalized medicine, healthcare, autonomous driving, it is just permeating across all areas, and it is reshaping the world as we know it. The world 10 years from now, looking back, will be very different from what it is today, and a lot of that is enabled by what we are doing, we as an industry, and we as HPC and AI professionals and scientists. So what are the challenges with accelerated computing? Yes, everybody knows that you need it, everybody knows it's enabling, everybody's trying to figure out how to optimize the ROI on it. In order to achieve true accelerated computing, you need a full stack. You need a stack that goes from the frameworks, the AI frameworks, to the application layer, the libraries, and then the infrastructure. And the infrastructure is deployed in data centers, at the edge, in the cloud. And all of this needs to work well together. So the enablement and in order for accelerated computing to really deliver its full value to industries, to customers, to enterprises, to research facilities, academia, government labs, and so on, in order for that to work well and in order for that to work quickly and efficiently, there is an absolute need to tackle and solve the end-to-end problem. Through and through. Efficiency, performance efficiency, power efficiency, footprint, the ability to deploy and optimize across the board are absolutely critical and essential. And that's what DDN has been doing in HPC for more than 2 decades. And now the footprint of the company is much broader than it used to be when we started out in HPC and we were serving the needs of, the biggest and baddest government labs and supercomputers. Now again, it's permeated across, the enterprise, in research facilities, in the cloud, and so on. And so DDN today has 11,000 customers. Again, very broad range of markets and industries. I think that we're enablers. We help researchers get their research done faster and better. We help accelerate time to insight, irrespective of the area of research or the area of business our customers are in. We are very much enablers in that. And we are a very technical company. 2/3 of DDN is comprised of engineers. So we have engineers developing the products and technologies. We have engineers optimizing across the stack, making sure that the combination of the data storage and the network and the GPUs and the CPUs and the DPUs runs in the most efficient manner possible. We help architect, deploy, and optimize in the data center, at the edge, and in the clouds. And all of these things we believe to be essential for success and for the true acceleration of this new era that we're being ushered into. Oops. So what do we do? Well, as I mentioned, we make this acceleration of computing happen in a more efficient manner. And I think a 10x number is a good one. In many instances, it's better than 10x, but it's really 10x the performance, 10x the efficiency, 10x better power efficiency by utilizing, the right mix of SSDs, QLC SSDs, TLC, and hard drives, just making all of this work in an optimal manner. And the reason why efficiency is very, very important is, well, everybody has to work within the limitations of a budget, and they have to deliver the results within that budget. Well, we make these budgets stretch. So the storage, the DDN storage that gets deployed into the infrastructures, whether it's AI infrastructures or HPC infrastructures, for every $1 of DDN you spend, you get $2 back out of your infrastructure. So it's free. Think of it as DDN is free. You spend $1, you get $2 back. I mean, it sounds like money laundering, but it's not money laundering. It's just the power of HPC. That's what we've all been doing. Accelerate, make it run more efficiently. And we do so by doing it end-to-end. Again, from the frameworks, from the libraries, from the applications, all the way down to the storage with all the layers in between. And so, in order to do a really optimized and efficient deployment of these things, some customers will need to do it in data centers. The data centers could be centralized or distributed. There is a need to get data movement and migration in the most efficient manner from the data center to the edge, in some instances, to the cloud in other instances. And all of this needs to be fluid and efficient. And I think that's one of the things DDN enables. Now, obviously, we don't do it by ourselves. We do it with a little help from our friends. And one of our friends is NVIDIA. And one of the smartest guys at NVIDIA is Mark Hamilton. And Mark is going to tell you about how NVIDIA and Mark take utmost complexity and turn it into utmost simplicity.